Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can follow someone on ShopPay. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Talking about ShopPay, it is powered by Shopify and you can pay using ShopPay, which is the official paying partner of Shopify. So you can see this is a separate store from Shopify and it is powered by Shopify itself, and you can see some of the artistic cloth design and other items over here. So if you want to follow a page, you can just go ahead and click on this page and you can see all of their products. You can follow them as well. You can see the follow button, just go ahead and tap on it and you can see that you have now followed them. If you don't want notifications from them, you can see the none option is there, but if you want some updates about some products, you can see the all updates and personalize. You can click on it and now you will be getting the notifications from the people who you follow. So you can also follow the people just from the background. Just go ahead and click on follow and you will get some kind of products related to these types of products on your feed. So you can go ahead and follow some of the products or some of the companies which design you like. So go ahead and do this and you can now follow these people. So guys, I hope this video about how you can follow someone on ShopPay was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.